I'm going outside to take a look at the snowstorms that fell today. Look at all the beautiful snowstorms on the ground. It's 24 degrees out. It's about 7 p.m. or 6:45, somewhere in there. And first thing I'm going to do is walk out to my truck and see how much snow we've had since 3 o'clock p.m. This is my Silverado Chevy truck, and if I just take my finger and run it across like that, looks like about 2 to 3 tenths of an inch. And looking at the front of the truck, looking at my feet. By the way, these are the same boots that our administrative assistant, Robert Harsh, bought. I saw those boots and I said, man, I've got to have a pair of those. So I immediately went online and I bought a pair for myself. But you can see there's a good 3 inches of snowstorms out here. Let me just do a quick panorama. It's not too windy. The flag is clanging against the post there, but for the most part the winds are fairly light. And this is what 3 inches of snow looks like. This will probably be the last snowstorms, or snow event rather, of the season. And it gave us 3 inches of snowstorms. At some point this afternoon, mostly when I was in the shower and driving up to work, we had moderate to heavy snowstorms. Right now I'm standing in front of work at the National Weather Service, and it's fairly chilly out, but it could be a lot colder. I mean, it's February 7th. It's the 39th anniversary of the Great Blizzard of '78 in Boston, Massachusetts. Actually ended on the 7th. It started on the 6th, which was yesterday, or 39 years ago yesterday. And this started out as kind of a wet snow, but now it's a dry, powdery snow. The snowstorms came down and they were kind of wet for a while, but then it got colder out. The temperature really dropped when the snowstorm started. So the salt that they laid down didn't do much good. Still got quite a few snowstorms underneath the bottom of the eave of the roof there, where all the snowstorms fell off the roof. And I'll just do another quick panorama of the office environment. The snowstorms have stopped for now. We probably won't see any more snowstorms until tomorrow, but I think tomorrow we're probably going to see the rain or nothing, because this cold air is not going to last very long. It's February 7th, and the cold air just doesn't last very long once we get into February in Northeast Oregon.